Are you a property investor and you have a rental property that perhaps someone else is managing or you are self-managing? Hi, I'm Scott White from Glasshouse Home Safety. We provide the best service possible as far as safety risks in the home for your rental property. If it's being done by someone else, get us, test us, try us out, see what we do different, because we test like no other company. If you're doing it yourself, you are allowed to do that, and everything's fine until someone dies, but you have to prove that you have experience, that you are a competent person in that particular area. And that's where we come into it. We're all about keeping you out of jail by making sure that you are compliant with all regulations, not just smoke alarms, but safety switches, curtain cords, all sorts of different things, risks in the home that you are liable for. You've got to give a safe home for those people that are staying there, and that's what we can ensure. We test with real smoke. We don't just come and press a button. We change the batteries every time. We use a tool to simulate someone being electrocuted, so the safety switches are tested very thoroughly. But we can give you all sorts of advice. We can upgrade your property to meet the new code in 2022. We can give you quotes on that. We can do whatever it is that you need if you want to be sure about being compliant with your rental property. So give us a call. We'd be happy to have a chat and just tell you what you need to know, and perhaps pop in and see if what is on the property is fully compliant and working properly right now. Thanks for listening.